In this question, he is saying the constant term in the expansion of this is dash. It will be slightly better if I take x outside. And after taking x outside, we will be getting x power 5 into 2 plus 1 by x power 8 plus 3x whole to the power 5. And now constant term in the expansion of this means you have to find the coefficient of x to the power minus 5 in the expansion of this, because the term which will be containing x power minus 5, when that term will be multiplied by this, you will be getting constant term. Suppose some trinomial x plus y plus z to the power n is given, then general term in the expansion of this is x power alpha, y to the power beta, z to the power gamma, where alpha plus beta plus gamma is sure to be n. The coefficient of this is n factorial upon alpha factorial, beta factorial, gamma factorial. This is the general term in the expansion of this, and therefore the general term in the expansion of this will be 2 to the power alpha into 1 by x power 8 whole to the power beta 3x to the power gamma, and the coefficient of this will be 5 factorial by alpha factorial, beta factorial, gamma factorial, and alpha plus beta plus gamma is sure to be 5. This is equal to 5 factorial upon alpha factorial, beta factorial, gamma factorial, 2 to the power alpha, 3 to the power gamma into x power minus 8 beta plus gamma. And as we have to find the coefficient of x to the power minus 5, hence we will find the value of alpha beta gamma such that minus 8 beta plus gamma is minus 5. Also note that alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 5 surely means that alpha beta gamma all are less than or equal to 5, and this means gamma equal to 8 beta minus 5. Now start putting the values of beta and get the values of gamma, and once beta and gamma are found, using this we'll be getting the value of alpha also. Note that alpha, beta, gamma all lie between 0 and 5. Take first case beta as 1. I can't take the value of beta as 0 because in that case gamma will become minus 5. If I take beta as 1, I get the value of gamma as 3. And once beta and gamma are found, it is sure that alpha will be equal to 1, because we have to keep in mind that alpha plus beta plus gamma is 5. That is alpha beta gamma lie between 0 and 5. And if I take the value of beta as 2, then the gamma will become 11, which is not possible. This is the only possible case in which minus 8 beta plus gamma is minus 5 and alpha plus beta plus gamma is 5. And now putting these values of alpha beta gamma in this expression, this becomes the coefficient and this will become minus 5, and calculating it I get 5 factorial upon 1 factorial, 1 factorial, 3 factorial, and 2 to the power 1, 3 to the power 3, x power minus 5 is this term. Hence the coefficient becomes this, that is 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 into 27. This is equal to 1080.